So, hello everyone. This side Adil, the founder of TechXNinjas, and I am also a student of BTech Computer Science and Engineering. Currently, I'm a third year student, and I am doing all the things to give a very good guidance and mentorship to all the students who want to build a very good career. Okay, so I will not take a much more time. I will not waste a much more time. So I'm really excited to introduce our mentor for today, Ravi Bharti sir. He is a four-star researcher at World Quant BRAIN. मतलब आई कैन से जो चीज़ आप सीखने आए हो फर्स्ट लेवल पे एज अ बिगनर, रवि सर ऑलरेडी रियल वर्ल्ड में काम कर रहे हैं एट अ वेरी हाई लेवल बिकॉज ही इज अ 4-star रिसर्चर एट वर्ल्ड क्वांट ब्रेन. Okay, so sir has hands-on experience in building alphas, how the real quant models work. Okay, and he will also explaining that what actually works in building the alphas. Okay, so सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो होने वाला है वो रवि सर करेंगे, ना कि हम. सो ओवर टू यू रवि सर.
Yeah, hi everyone, and thanks Adil for organizing this great session today. And I can see a lot of people have already joined the session. So before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Ravi Bhati, and I am from Udaipur. Currently in pre-final year of my college, and my branch is computer science. Today we are going to talk about a very niche based opportunity and like very high paying skill. Uh, Before, like when I started my college in my first year, I explored a lot of opportunities so that I can make some amount of money and then I can utilize in my other skills and for changing my life and changing my uh, everything I wanted to change. And then I got this opportunity through a webinar itself. A former researcher have organized a seminar related to the work on brain in our college, and I'm very grateful to him that he organized this event. And today I'm here. So before we talk, how many you are already aware about like what is quant finance and what is quantitative finance? If anyone you know, please let me know in the comments. Do you have any idea what is quant finance? Okay, there is no issue ki like you don't know what is quantitative finance and what this stream like exactly what we do. I will be explaining everything with respect to time. And so let's dive in. I'll share my screen and let's start. Give me a moment. Let's begin with the very basics of quantitative finance, what quantitative finance exactly is, and what I, as a research consultant, do at WorldQuant. This is the role you will be getting. I'm on the same role already. I joined WorldQuant before 2 years back when I was in my first year. And let's first talk about what is quantitative finance. So, by the word quant, we means a lot of entities. Entity meaning like it can be a stocks, it can be a commodity, etc. So what we exactly do, like we create a universe of different kind of stocks, and then we create our algorithm to work with it. And out of the algorithm, we backtest over the data again and again, and unless we get like a good result out of it, then we submit that strategy. Don't get confused. It might be look like it's very tricky, and there is no use of coding in the starting. Like if you don't know even know about anything about coding, also you can participate yet. So let's talk more about work on brain. So what is quantitative finance? Quantitative finance, like as I before, like what we exactly do, we predict the future movements of the markets and and stocks. This is exactly the quantitative finance. सो आज हमारे पास में जो अपॉर्चुनिटी है वो है अबाउट वर्ल्ड ब्रेन, जो हर साल एक कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज कराता है जिसका नाम है इंटरनेशनल क्वांट चैंपियनशिप। अ, उस लाइक उस जो कंपटीशन है, उस कंपटीशन के थ्रू ही मैंने वर्ल्डकॉन में अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी थी। इन 2024 आई वाज इन द टॉप 100 ग्लोबली इन द competition. Then I get the role of consulting, and I have been working for the last 2 years. So these are the main benefits with working with WorldCon. Like if you participate in IQC, there is a huge power pool of $100,000, and also if you perform well, you will be getting opportunity to become a research consultant. And I have seen a lot of my friends, they first only the research consultant, but then after they selected for the full time roles like researcher, content, and portfolio managers, a lot of people already joined, changed their career in from the word quant itself. And this is a very unique opportunity. Like a top performers from India and a lot, all the countries will be invited to the Singapore for competing in the IQC finals. And the finals will be around in September 2026. So, why do we participate in why do we participate in IQC? Because this is not just a competition. Uh, while the competition will be going on, you can be like a research consultant along with participating in the competition. So this is the very unique opportunity, because one way you are learning a lot of new things, and also you have already achieved a post of research consultant, which is like a part-time kind of role where you can earn daily to daily quarter bonuses and a lot of things which I will be explaining in the next slide. So this opportunity is not constrained up to the competition. It's if you become a research consultant, you can do it here for lifetime. You can work as you can do it as a freelancing for your whole life unless you wanted to do. And it doesn't if you have already got placement in any other company, and so still you can participate and you can work as a research consultant. Okay, so let's dive into the benefits of become research consultants. So, so this is the very crucial part of the webinar, and why I'm here and I'm sharing this opportunity with today with you. So in WorldQuant, we create alphas. Alpha is nothing; it's like a mathematical model. It's a very one line or two line single simple strategy which is written very simply, which I will be explaining further. So what are the benefits of working with WorldCon as a research consultant? So there are two kinds of payment system. The first is daily based payment. So the daily based payment varies from $1 to $60 per day. Like today, if you have submitted one or two alpha, the next day you will be seeing in your performance that your last day's earning was $60 or $70. So also when we talk about alphas, you think it's like a lot of coding and stuff, but it's not. It's just like a very simple, very simple, like we can say mathematical formula, in terms of if like we are comparing liabilities over assets and kind of things. So the first earning opportunity is daily base payment, which varies from $1 to $60. And the second is the quarter bonus. Every quarter, the WorldCon pays you a bonus in the on the basis of your quality of research and how many alpha you submitted in the previous quarter. And this amount varies from $100 to $25,000 in a quarter. Uh, I personally highest like earned in a quarter is around $15,000, which is close to, in INR we can say it's around 12 to 13 lakh rupees. So that was also a great moment for me. Additionally, there are a lot of benefits of joining WorldCon. You will be getting extra $100 stipends if you complete a little few tasks. So this is the opportunity for research consultant. Along with that, you will be participating in the International Quant Championship, and there is a different prize pool of hundred thousand dollars. So it doesn't mean it is the only competition we will be having. Once you participate in IQC and you complete the IQC and you get the research consultant role, there is almost every month there is a competition live So beyond the daily base payment, beyond the daily quarter bonus, there are a lot of competition ongoing related to the alpha research, and based on AI and automations, a lot of things work. So there are a lot of opportunities beyond the IQC itself. Also, we talk about the career, like a lot of people who from the IITs and non IIT, and they were working as a research consultant before 3 to 4 years, and then they joined as full time. Also, I can see how it will help you to like build your career in a very simple way. Suppose like I myself, I'm not from a top tier one college. I am from top tier. I belong to a tier two college. So even if I have a strong determination about the research and quantitative research, I cannot directly sit in the any interviews of quantitative research. But this experience with WorldQuant BRAIN give me that opportunity to directly bypass that. It doesn't matter I am not from an IIT, but still I can participate in a lot of opportunities because I have a hands-on experience how the things work. So then these are the basics points of basics, like we can say key key points of working with word content kind of things. I will be sharing a full demo how to create strategies, how to sign up, a lot of things and everything. So don't worry if you are thinking like I just want you to be curious more about like thinking what is an alpha, and how we will be going to simulate all of things. So let's move to the next slide. So how we will start our journey. So first step will be to the sign up using other link I will be sharing and showing the demo. Then we will be start creating alphas, and also there will be live sessions every week, and there are tutorials, there are documentations, and a lot of things where which you can leverage to create like a lot of models and a lot of alpha, and you can win the IQC itself. You can go up to the Singapore finals, and you can I will suggest ki you, if you get the research consultant role, it will be change your life completely, because I joined before 2 years, and it has been like around 2 years. The first 6 months was uh, like a little bit struggleful because I don't have right guidance and a lot of things. But after that 4 or 5 6 months, the IQC ended, and I started working as a research consultant, and I made till date, if I say in exact number, I made around $60,000 plus, which is in INR, it's around 50 lakhs plus in within 1.5 year. So this is what I made, and just working from 1 or 2 hours daily, and doing college, maintaining everything, college studies. Also, I have been preparing for a lot of competition exams also, like GATE. I can manage a lot of all these things together, because working as a research consultant doesn't mean like you have to work for the fixed hours. It's There is no rule. If you don't want to work, you don't work. So for very brief, we are talking again and again about like alpha. So what is an alpha exactly is? Alpha is a code which is written in a framework called fast expression, which is very simple framework. It have only two components. The first component is the name of the data we are going to use, and the second component is the operators and the mathematical operators we are performing on it, like sum, multiply, divide, etc. So we I will be sharing in a demo more about the alpha. So I have already shared. I will be sharing the registration link in couple of minutes in the groups. Let's. So one more very important things. There is, although there is a flexibility of time, along with that you will be getting these goodies once you become a research consultant, or so you can expect, if you start working from tomorrow, within 4 to 5 days you will be able to apply for the research consulting role, and they will get back to you within the week. And once your slot as research consultant confirmed, you will be getting these goodies. um, Also, if we talk about what will be the payment cycles, so the payment cycles will be, there will be eight payment in a year, because there are this community is very big, around 5 to 6. Right now, if I say globally, 10,000 research consultants are already working with WorldQuant BRAIN. So they pay in don't pay every month. They pay 8 times in a year. So how this system works, all things will be explained later once we have signed up and understand what the platform is and all of things. So, without any further delay, we'll be starting live demo with you. So, before that, if you have any questions related to the anything about research consultant role and anything, you can ask me right here. Then we will be getting start with the platform itself. So, Adil, if
Yes,
you have
Ravi.
any questions.
There are a few questions that are coming like in the comment section. Yeah, please just answer these things.
Okay, let me just take the question. First one question is it is about market making like general quant then I can understand your question. But if I say we are creating strategies for the hedge fund, the World Quant is a hedge fund which do the trading and all the kind of stuff. Our role is to just creating strategies for that. So someone is saying is this another one of those scams? So brother, I won't say anything about that. You spend a little bit time on the work on brain platform, you will be find, yeah, this is a scam or is a real opportunity.
Yeah,
For a brief
if
if I, yeah, for
yeah,
a
like
brief
if
if
you
I
are
say,
thinking, yeah, just wait. Like if you are thinking that it is a scam, no, then like don't pay for us. Like we are not charging anything. Or company is also not charging from you. So what type of a scam is this? I'm not able to understand. If you are thinking that it is a scam, you can just leave. Like we are not charging anything, then how it can be a scam? Okay. Do we
so
have to
there
pay
is
for anything? So
no.
literally there is no need charge for this. Like it is a very good opportunity that in this you don't have to pay a single penny. Okay. uh yeah, Ravi, now you can go ahead.
The next comment is from Surender. Yeah, very nice. If you have submitted alpha, we will be sharing more about submitting alpha. So next is okay. So without any further delay, we will move to the practical demo and starting from creating account and all these things. So the
Yep.
first thing, I think already the links of registration already has been shared. I will make sure the link is shared in the groups
Yeah,
and
I
everywhere.
have already sent. Ravi, can you please share your screen and show that how they can go and register just by clicking on this link?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Just
I
let
have already
me.
shared. Uh, David, Vishal, Ria, uh, just wait for a few seconds. Ravi will share that how can you register in this and how all the things will be like onboarding. Okay, yeah.
Give me a second and let me share my screen. So Adil, is my screen is visible?
Yes, yes, it is.
Yeah,
Sundar has one question. Just wait, Sundar. I just wanted to know that there are only 3 days lifting before stage one, so there is any chance we can get to reach 10K. स्टेज
good.
वन का जो लास्ट डेट है वो मई में है ना कि अप्रैल में. आई थिंक देर आर सम मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग विद यू. Like we will be explaining it. Just wait for a few minutes, couple of minutes. Just wait.
So the
What
first
Adit?
step is
Yeah.
we just paste the link or click on the link directly, which we get in the groups or everywhere. Or Adil send the link in WhatsApp group also. So let's click on the link and so this is the sign up page. The first thing we have to do, we have to put our email ID. So let me just put the email into this. So just put your email and create a password first of all. Make sure you create a strong password. and the password should not contain your first name or last name, and also it should not contain name from your email ID. So let's move to the next page. So here you can see the first name and the last name, and so just put your first name into this, because I'm using Adil's account. Adil, can you share your first and last name?
Yeah, it is Adil, double Adil, is and the
Uh,
last name is Latif, Latif.
Latif, right?
TIF, yeah. There are some questions that how we will get this goodie. Please explain. I have network issue. We will be explaining in a next couple of meetings. Like we will be taking a lot of meetings to explain that how you can go ahead in this opportunity. So just wait and just go with the flow. We'll be explaining you. Okay. Is this related to data science? Ravi, can you please answer?
This is not exactly related to the data science, but it uses data and operators. But there is no direct connection. Like if you have to use like machine learning models, etc., there is no use of them. Adil, I'm putting your number right here.
Yeah, it is 9122985472.
Yeah. So one
Is
more thing, make sure you can see my referral ID right here in this section, user ID of the referrer. So this is the very important thing, so I can track your performance and your progress. So make sure you find my referral ID right here. So let's move to the next page, and
Juratif, just
from here,
wait. Like we'll be explaining that how to submit alpha. It is a further step. It is not the like the current step. And also about the referral thing, it is mandatory to add the like RB25229, because we will be tracking you that what is your score, what is the reason behind that you are behind the opportunity, and what is your status. All the things we will be tracking. So if you will be not able to add the correct referral link, then we'll be not able to track and we'll be not able to give the $100 that are the extra that we are giving to you. Okay, and like if you will be registering without the referral thing, then you will be not able to claim the onboarding onboarding amount. I can say the onboarding amount is $100, that is 9,000 rupees, I can say approx in Indian rupees. So you will be not able to claim that 9,000 rupees. So please and please use the RB25229 so you can get that amount as the extra amount.
so next step of sign up, you can see there is an option for putting a university, college, institution. If you are already in a university or college, just put your name, find the name here. Like if I am in a CTA Udaipur, so I can find the name. If your college is not in the list, you can just click on add whatever the name of your college, that will be added into the list. And also, if you are not in any college, or you are not currently part of any educational, you can directly type as not applicable. So which is currently I am typing right here, not applicable. We will, and also we can change the name of university, college, institution, and anything. And there is a question: are you presently employed or engaged as a consultant contracted by the firm? So we will be clicking on the no. And let's move to this next to the sign up. So here we can see the WorldQuant BRAIN user agreement. If someone want to read it, they should read it this, and just scroll a little bit down and just click to the next, and select on these all the options and click on I agree. There is sketch bar, why it's showing I don't know. Adil, I think you have shared the email which is already registered with the Work on Brain. Can you share the another email?
Okay, yeah, I'm just sharing. Yeah, just please register with this.
Yeah, please share.
Thanks, Vishal. You have to create an alpha. Okay.
So, okay, where what we can see, it will be send verification email on your email. Just click on that email and verify your email ID, and you can do. I will recommend you to do this instantly, and just click on Let's Get Started. So this is the simulation platform. We can see here. So before getting started with this, we will be click on the competition page. There is a competition challenge in International Quant Championship Stage 1. So we will click on this. By default, we are already enrolled in this competition by default. But if you are getting option to agree and enroll in IQC, just click on enroll in IQC. We are already enrolled in by default.
There are
So
some few questions that like they have already registered. So what they can do, what you can do is that you can just register in this with the same link that I have already shared in the group, with a new email ID. So you can go ahead with the championship, because if you have already one account, then you will be not able to register in the championship with our like link. Okay.
also someone.
Avilipsa, uh, your question is what is this about championship about? So we have already explained. Just I think you have like joined after a few minutes. That's why. Ravi, can you
Adil,
please
please.
just check this that I'm he is from Pakistan, so like, is Pakistan is blocked in this?
No, no, Pakistan. I don't think the Pakistan is blocked in this. Anyone from any country can participate.
Avilipsa, you had joined after a few minutes. That's why you are not able to understand. You can just no. You can just like go to the like see from the first. Then you will be able to understand what is this championship and what is this World Quant Brain about. Yeah, Ravi, go ahead.
Also, in last, I will be explaining again for the for about like what is competition and all of things. As of now, if you miss that part, you can directly click on the sign up page. Adil, please share or pin the link again. So the people who haven't joined already, they can directly start with the link itself. So let's move to the how to create an alpha and what is an alpha strategies, all of the things. So without any further delay, let's start. So here you can see there is a page for the simulation, and here it's written USA delay one, which means the USA we are creating strategy in USA, and D one and top 3000 I will be explaining later. So first, we will be clicking on the learn section. So we just click on learn section. We can find a lot of documentation and courses available on here. Like on also this course already available on YouTube. Also like this, its name is Concept. You can find how to begin, what is an alpha example. Everything will be already covered in these videos. Also, if you don't want to see the videos, there is an option for documentation. Everything related to the alpha research, what is an alpha, what language it uses, all of things here already has been explain in a very simple language. So we will be starting with an example, how an alpha look like, and which language this is using, and a lot of things. So just we will be just click on example. So when we click on example, we can see there is a very simple. So the above code is comment out. So that doesn't mean we can just remove this. This is just the explanation of the alpha idea we have share as an example. So here in this, this is written as an operating income. So this thing is related to a little bit from the company fundamental, and okay, we will be first like just simulate this thing. And here, if we click on settings, we can find this. It is using the language fast expression, which is this itself the fast expression language, which contains the data, and data is covered in operator, which is a time series ranking operator. So we will discuss what is time series ranking operator and a lot of things in the next few webinars. As of now, we just are registering and getting familiar with the platform. So what what we are creating a strategy. So just click on simulate and clone this alpha in a new tab. And what we like on what instrument we are creating like strategy, which is equity. So here somebody asked me what is an instrument. So instrument refers to stocks, bonds, equity, commodity, etc. These are the parts of instrument in a financial market. And the next option is about the reason, on what reason we will be creating our strategies. So right now you are able to create strategies on USA reason. When you will be research consultant, there are all of reason will be open for you, like China, India itself, Korea, Taiwan, a lot of regions where you can build your strategy and simulate them. The next thing is universe. This is universe means nothing, but it just means top 3000 means the top 3000 companies we are using for in the terms of our simulation on the basis of the liquidity. Before we move forward, I want to know how many of you already know about what is liquidity. Can you anybody can share me what is a liquidity? Anybody? Yeah, hi Vishal. I will be explaining in a slow pace. Yeah, the video will be available on YouTube after the session also. Uh, Before, can anybody tell me if anybody knows what is liquidity is? Can anybody tell me? So, okay, let me explain the liquidity is. Liquidity is nothing. It's just the ability for any stock or any instrument, how fast we can sell it and convert into the cash. For example, if we have gold, we just taken the gold and went to the how yeah right method, how easily we can convert the asset into the cash. Yes, this is the right answer. For example, if you have gold, we just went to a store and sell our gold, and we converted our this into the cash instantly. So the gold is a liquid, very high liquid. Also, if we have instrument like real estate, for selling a real estate, we have to do a lot of paperwork, and the process takes around like 15 days to 20 days. So this instrument is a little bit illiquid. So same concept works here in stocks also, that how much the stocks is selling and the volume of the stocks high or less in terms of those. So the companies which have higher liquidity, we will be selecting only those and will be performing our research on this. Also, you can see there are five universe. Also, there is a universe called SP500, which is exactly the index of USA region as an SP500. Next thing we can see, there is an option for delay. Uh, as of now, we only be working with delay one ideas. Then we will be shifting to the delay one, delay zero, and a lot of things more. The next thing is neutralization. So neutralization, in neutralization settings, as of now, I will be sharing what we need to put in a neutralization. So there you can say there are 3 to 4 neutralization options. So mostly we use sub industry, industry, and market. We never create a strategy on the basis of uh, on the basis of non-neutralization. Why we'll be doing this, we will be explaining in the next simulation. So for explaining what is neutralization is, I will be selecting as neutralization as none, and we will be discussing more about the settings also, and we will click on apply and just click on simulate. सो पहले जब तक अपन ये सिमुलेट हो रहा है तो हमारा जो पहले वाला सिमुलेशन है वो हो चुका है. So you can see on the basis of this expression, the simulation platform created a profit and loss graph for the last 5 years. The P&L start from the January 2019 and the time period end at the December 2022. So these are the tests which is passed by this strategy. The first test here is the Sharpe ratio. So the Sharpe ratio explain us like how much risk is involved while trading on this strategy. This is known as the Sharpe ratio. I will be explaining these things further also. As of now, you just have to just ignore these things and just focus on the learn section and read a little bit about the documentation and a lot of things. So let's just do. Also you can see the hypothesis behind the this idea. So I'll read the hypothesis. If the operating income of a company is currently higher than its past 1 year history, buy the company stocks and vice versa. So what does that exactly means? So when we are using this word operating income, we go to the data section, right? And we go to the data section. Here we can find a lot of data categories. We search here operating income. So you can see there are a lot of data. Like the first data is asset. So on this asset, already around 1,36,000 alpha already has been created. So this is the data. So if you ask me more about this data, so we cannot directly see the seeds and the data sheets beyond this. Only we can use these data by using their name. Like if here is this the word mentioned as assets, so in the backend of this platform, there are spreadsheets of assets of the all of the USA companies, and so we in here we will be directly using assets in our alpha only. Also, if okay, so here we can see the alpha is failing to test, which says the sharp is below the cutoff of 1.25 and fitness is below the 1. So how we will be improving this thing? So for improving this thing, we will be reading the hints to improve the alpha. So hint says that rather than comparing the value directly, can calculating a ratio that involves the market moves uh, could improve the signals. So I like because I already know the what is the signal, I will be just using it right here. I will be divided it by the cap. A cap means the daily market capitalization in millions. I just did this and go to the settings and try to change some settings, just random hit and trial, like what thing works and what not, and just click on the simulate. So you can see while this is simulating, it's running, it's first calculating the ratio of this thing, operating income and cap. And then like we get a value of ratios like the highest value is 10 and the lowest value is 1. So then we are using the rank operator. So what the rank operator does, it assigns the highest capital which have the highest value which is coming from this ratio or whatever asset and whatever data we put in. So this is ranking operator and this is the TS rank operator. So while this is simulating, I can check if you have any questions. Someone is asking, sir, sub universe कैसे बढ़ाए किसी भी अल्फा की? So if I say the sub universe uh, is a quite complicated thing, I will suggest as of now by shift on the different strategies. Change the example. Some example have the issue of the sub universe chart. So you just as of now you can just skip that alpha idea and go to the next idea. The simulation is completed here as we can see, and now we can see the PNL looks way better than the last example. And if we check the IS test, so we can here see the Sharp ratio is very good. Turnover is basically the cost of the trading. Turnover, if I simple words, if I explain the cost, if I explain the turnover is nothing, the cost of the trading. Like when we are simulating this strategy, we have to take a lot of open and close positions. We have to take a lot of trades. So this is nothing. This is only the thing is the cost of trading we have. The next is returns. All of you know what the return is. And the one more factor which is checked in the test is fitness. The fitness is the overall performance of the strategies. So fitness should be greater than one as the cutoff. So we just move below it, and here we can see all the tests are passing, and our alpha is matching the competition IQC and challenge itself. So it must pass the cutoff of sharp 1.25, and fitness it should be the greater than one. Like I can see if someone is not getting these things right away, just just ignore all of these things. Just use this example and divide it by cap, and do in settings like industry and market. Just follow me. I will be explaining because this is a little bit technical, so I will be explaining in further webinars everything about these things. Also, if I ask you, how many of you have a doubt, like what if I submitted an alpha, and can I submit the same alpha again and again? Anyone have that doubt or not? I'm asking you, can we submit an alpha once we have submitted the alpha, and can we submit the same strategy again?
There is one question, Ravi, that what is 252 here and why only 252?
Okay, this is the very nice question. What is 252 here? If I say the 252 denotes the rank operator has the word before is TS. TS means time series rank. So we are calculating time series rank for the last 1 year. So if someone will say how the why in a year there are 365 days, why this is 252 days? So for this, the all of the 355 days are not the trading days itself. There in a week there are only 5 trading days. Like if a week, the Saturday and Sunday, all the markets, almost all markets are closed. So if we see the calculation, we will multiply by, like there are 52 weeks in a year. 52 multiply by 5, then we will be getting approx around 250 and 252 days. So the 252 days is the number of days, and this number of days signifies the performance of 1 year. I hope your doubt is cleared, Adil. Okay, so we are moving to the next step. Uh, Here we can see 7 tests has been already passed, but there is a test which is pending still. So this test is called as self correlation test. So how many of you already aware with correlation? Can anybody tell me what is the correlation? If someone knows, okay, let me explain what is the correlation is. So as of now, you can see there is no self-correlated alpha. So the self correlation is the matrix which is nothing but it's the Pearson correlation of the two assets. The correlation means, like, if I submitted this strategy and I will try to submit the same strategies again, that the last test will fail because the strategies is same. So this is the correlation. The correlation is nothing, just it just check how different our next strategy is. Just compare our strategy with the last submitted strategies. Like, well, if I submitted a alpha, like when I submit the next alpha, the correlation should not higher than point 0.7. Like, if I create a strategy, if I want to create if I want to submit this strategy again, I have to at least change some settings and do these things so the correlation can decrease. So I will be explaining more about correlation. Here you can see, like, all the tests are passing. We just click on check submission, and it's giving me an indication like all other tests are passing. And what we will do now, we just simply click on submit alpha. So once we have clicked on submit alpha, we can see this alpha is already has been submitted. So this is the first strategies we have submitted here, where we can find our submitted strategies. So if we go on the alpha platform, so and we click on submitted, here we can find like the strategies we have submitted. So this is the alpha we have submitted already. And whatever you simulate on the platform, all things will be stored here in unsubmitted page. So what is your job for the next few days is, okay, so explain me your job for the next few days. So for the next few days, what you have to do, you have to at least do 10 to 20 simulation in every day. Like, what does the simulating an alpha idea means? Like, simulation means, I click on example and I click on simulate. It count as in a one simulation. And for the next a week, we have to submit one alpha every day, and do at least 10 to 20 simulation for at least 4 to 5 days. When you complete this task, you will be getting an email for becoming a research consultant. And then you have to fill the form, and all of the details for becoming research consultant will be shared further. So this is kind of tutorial kind of thing. This is nothing new. This is a tutorial where we are submitting basic strategy and learning the quant finance. So here I can see this is another example. We can keep changing the example as many as you want to change. Also, I will be sharing a lot of more examples in the group itself. So we will walk through this example also. So the hypothesis says the fair value accounting aims to the measure and report ongoing valuations of assets and liabilities. So basically, this is a simple strategy. And if we read the hint to improve the alpha, you just have to focus on this hint to improve the alpha. Could observing the increase over a shorter period improve the accuracy? So we know the 252-day means 1 year. What if we do here only a quarter or 2 quarter? So according to this, a quarter, if we divide it in half, so instead of doing 252, we will be doing 126, and just simulate it. Also, we check on 252 days also. So while this is simulating, we'll get back to the comments if there are any comments here. Someone is saying we don't have to create anything ourselves for now. No, you don't have to create anything and any new alpha as of now. Uh, uh, you will be getting a lot of examples. There are like 20 to 25 examples. You just have to read the hint and solve these examples. then then you will be submitting more advanced strategies and more things. One more thing I can say here is, let me just give a moment. I can see. Explain again what to do in next 1 week. So in the next 1 week, we have to do at least for 10 to 20 simulation every day. Like when I click on clone and simulate and I change the example, this is counted as one simulation. So every day we have to do at least 20 to 25 simulations, and we have to submit one alpha for 5 to 6 days daily. Like I have already submit today's alpha here. Everybody can copy that alpha idea and submit this. This is a rank of operating income upon cap. This is the first alpha you can submit at. I am giving you this alpha examples. After that, you have to. I will be sharing more ideas and more alpha expression in the group, but you have to try at your own by changing the examples and trying these examples available on the platform. Also, one more thing I want to share. If you don't know, okay. If you don't know, give me a moment. If you don't know anything about an alpha idea and what is hypothesis, you just copy this text and put in chat gpt or any llms and ask them for give me a better version of it and try to help me to improve the strategy. You can also use the ai. In the next webinar we will be sharing we will be sharing a lot of things how we can leverage the ai, more advanced ideas and a lot of things. This webinar is like basic introduction to the platform. So as of now, turning my screen off and checking like if you have more doubts in the comments. Let me also share how many people already registered with the platform. Adil, if you have any questions, please ask.
Yeah, I
Here I can
don't
see.
have any question currently.
Yeah.
David is asking that is we have to write something.
As of now, if I say when you become a research consultant, you have to write a codes on your own. But as of now, you just have to solve the examples already present on the platform.
Hmm. Guys, if you have any question, please just ask. Also, Ravi, can you please give me us a summary type thing, so like everyone can understand just in 3 to 4 minutes, so we can wrap up this also
Yeah.
because we have taken already 55 minutes time. Great.
Okay. So at last, I'll share. I wanted to share this opportunity again, like the key takeaways of the opportunity. Give me a moment. Let me share my screen.
Ravi, just share about the payment thing. Like there are many confusion about the payment. So like in a few just seconds, like what is the process of payment? Like David is
So
asking for the payment, what to do, like how many alpha or simulation.
So for payment, I have already told you like how we'll be getting the payment. So getting payments, we will submitting one or two alpha every day for next 1 week, and then we will receive a email to put our details and what we study and what we do, all of these things, and we will be getting an opportunity to become a research consultant. After that, whatever alpha you have submitted, even if you are submitting using the examples, you will be getting paid as in a daily base payment or of a daily base payment of that strategy you will be submitting. Also, in the last minute, I will be sharing my screen and I'll share how much money I had made already and how I made the money. To wrap up the things, I have one thing to say. So there is a real earning opportunity. We talk, we can earn $60 in a day, and we can earn up to $25 every quarter. Also, we will be getting extra $100 if you follow steps closely and do and complete the task we provide you on time to time. You will be getting extra $100. And the next thing is about goodies. The goodies is really great. If you don't want, if you don't want to do further, you can just do up to getting goodies and quit this.
Yep. There
Anything
are
else?
some questions. How to reach that point? Like there are 2,000 points every day we have to make. So how to reach that points to
Yeah.
become the
So for
research
that,
consultant?
I can say, as I shared and submitted one alpha. So this tomorrow, the next day, this score of the alpha will be updated, which varies from 1,500 to 2,000. So when we submitted one alpha, we get score around $2,000. And when we submit five alpha on 5 different days, our total score will be around. Something. There is a noise in my background. I think. So for getting 10,000 points and for becoming research consultant, we have to submit alpha ideas for 5 days. I will be sharing more details about it. As of now, you just have to submit one alpha idea daily and check your score. If you have any further question,
Complete roadmap like we will be giving, and along with the PPT also we'll be giving you. Don't worry.
yeah, I will be
Hello,
sharing
Sajesh.
alpha ideas also.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh, Actually, it is just a basic introduction session. So that's why we have not explained all the things because it will take many more time. So that's why we don't have a much more time. So like, if you are very interested in this opportunity, then you can just stay in the WhatsApp group. We will be share all the things with you. Don't worry about it, anything. Okay. If you have any another question, then you can just ask. When is the next session? So that's the final question I was expecting. Like, I will be sharing. Like, we'll be sharing in the group that when we will be taking the next session. There is one
but
question.
yeah. So the alpha we submit today, the time series one, it will count as a one alpha and we'll get 2,000 points. Right. Right, Vishal. And this, you can check your score yesterday on the website. There is an option for competition, and if you will, well, you can check your score tomorrow. You go to the website and check. You can check your score there on the competition page. One last thing, if I want to share, when you become a research consultant, how you will be getting paid. So Adil, I request you to just remove, only keep this part in live session, only remove the from your recorded version. I am sharing my official account where I work and how I make money. So please make sure you just remove that part, right? Just let me just share my screen again.
Done, done.
Make sure to remove that because otherwise I will be getting notice from income tax office.
One suggestion, please. Group of participate that where can be discussion. Like, I did not understand what you are suggesting. Uh,
Yeah, can
yeah.
you? So this is my official account where I used to work, and I go in my performance section right here. So here you can see my total payment is around $50,000, which is I made in around 1.5 year. So this is the matrix of the daily based payments we are getting. Like we are getting someday when I have submitted good ideas. I'm getting $28, $7, $6, and this my all-time high is around $100 also. I also get you will be also getting these high payments on the basis of your strategies and a lot of things. And this is the section of daily based payment. If I check my yesterday's payment, so it's showing $57, which was 15 April. So also I have other payments also for winning from the competitions and quarter bonuses also. And one more thing I want to share here, you can see here a quarter bonus of $15,000 which I have received uh, in a single quarter highest. So this is the thing which I want to share this
गाइज
as a motivation.
गाइज जिनको भी ये वाला लग रहा है ना कि स्कैम है, वो एक बार ये देख लो, ऑफिशियल जो वर्ल्ड क्वांट ब्रेन का वेबसाइट है ना, वहां से ये पीडीएफ जनरेट हुआ है, ना कि कहीं हम लोग पहले से कॉपी पेस्ट किए हुए थे वो दिखा रहे हैं। ये जो वैसे ये रिकॉर्डेड है सेशन, सो यू कैन आफ्टर दिस सेशन यू कैन ऑल्सो जस्ट वॉच दैट वो पीडीएफ जो अभी खुला था $50,000 का जो टोटल रेवेन्यू जनरेट हुआ, रेवेन्यू नहीं प्रॉफिट आई कैन से, सो
Profit,
वो
yeah, there is
कहाँ से
nothing
जनरेट
about
हुआ है
revenue.
वो एक बार देख
Yeah,
लेना।
it's like salary. It's
या
like salary,
जिनको भी ये
and
स्कैम लग
there
रहा
are a
था
lot
वो
of
एक बार देख लेना, then you will be able to understand what is this, what the world quant brain is this.
like I see a lot of people who is doing their job in another company. Also, they are
Hmm.
participating in WorldQuant, but they are making more money than that company on Brain platform itself. So, and one more
Exactly.
thing I want to share, and one more thing I want to share. I started in before exactly 2 years back in April 2024, and in my college I was the only one consultant who participate in this, and Adil was also participate at the time, and we had discussion about this also. And right, if I share the data of my university itself, how many people are already enrolled in this opportunity? So there are 170 plus consultant already from only my college. I was the only consultant. I spread the news and I did a lot of things to improve the community and to enhance the community. Now, right now, there are more than 170 plus consultant already, and like more than 200 to 300 people participating in this year IPC. So don't take this is a scam or a kind of thing. Just familiar with the platform a little bit, and we will be discuss more about it in the further section. And stay tuned, and make sure to do nice comments on this. So, and also share this opportunity to uh, share this opportunity to a lot your friends, your family who want to be part of it. Someone is asking, really great, Ravi, being a third year student. Yeah, thanks, buddy. This happened because I get the opportunity at the time. Someone just organized a session and I attended and I learned this opportunity. That's why I want to give this opportunity to everyone as much as person uh, I can share with.
एग्जैक्टली सेम लाइक टूडे सेशन, ऐसे कोई सेशन किसी दूसरे कंपनी ने पार्टनरशिप में कराया होगा 2 साल पहले, वहां पे रवि ने ज्वाइन किया और आज यू कैन सी हिज अर्निंग। ओके सो या लाइक आई थिंक वी कैन रैप अप दिस सेशन नाउ।
Someone is asking
David,
the last and very important question. A payment in direct bank account. Yeah, the payment will credited into direct bank account as a salary. There is a benefit from work on brain payment because if we are working with any other company, we receive monthly salary. And if we have salary greater than 12 lakhs in a year, we have to pay tax. But if when we are working with WorldCon Brain, we are earning around 20, unless we are earning more than 24 lakh in a year, we don't have to pay a single rupees of a tax. Uh, Whenever you receive an invoice and whenever you receive a payment, the 10% TDS will be deducted and the TDS will be credited at the end of the year. This is a very far process, and we'll be sharing more detail about this, how payment works and how to add your bank account, a lot of these things. So you need not to worry about these things, anything right now. You just have to explore this opportunity and take it as learning opportunity and learning opportunity. That's it from my side. I hope you like my session. I tried my best.
So
The next
next
session we are
session,
thinking in the next week, or also I'll try to arrange a session in this Sunday, on that Sunday itself.
एग्जैक्टली रवि सर जब फ्री हो जाए देन सेशन हो जाए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
या वो कोई इशू नहीं है.
एग्जैक्टली. Okay, so I think we can wrap up this. Ravi, if you have any tips, then you can just give and then we can wrap up.
If I say in tips, just follow the example. Just click again and again, change example. You just try to read the hint how to solve this example. If you cannot understand what the alpha idea is, what is this, you just copy and paste to the chat GPT or Gemini. It will explain a lot, all the things, and give you a better version you can simulate, and it will pass the test. And the one more biggest tip, uh, the faster you complete 10K points, the higher the probability of your becoming a research consultant. So start from today.
Okay, I am doing one thing. Okay, there are many comments that they want a dedicated discussion groups. So I want to do one thing कि जो लोग भी अभी तक यहाँ पे हैं, जैसे अभी हम देख पा रहे हैं 30 लाइव यूजर्स हैं यहाँ पे. पहले 100 प्लस थे, तो आई थिंक ये 30 जो है वो ही मेन इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स हैं. तो हम एक न्यू ग्रुप
Yeah,
बनाते हैं ऑन द नेम ऑफ इंटरेस्टेड पार्टिसिपेंट्स एंड आई एम जस्ट सेंडिंग हियर. Okay, just please join in the next 10 minutes. Otherwise ये जो ग्रुप का जो लिंक है वो हम रीसेट कर देंगे, सो नो वन विल बी एबल टू ज्वाइन दैट. एंड इसमें हम लोग लाइक जो भी इंटरेस्टेड स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन लोगों को प्रॉपर गाइडेंस देंगे, क्योंकि वो जो ग्रुप है उसमें 900 प्लस यूजर्स हैं, तो उसमें हम लोग उतने प्रॉपर से गाइडेंस नहीं दे पाएंगे. इसलिए ये वाला हम ग्रुप शेयर करते हैं. ओके, ग्रुप का लिंक ओनली 10 मिनट्स के लिए अवेलेबल होगा, उसके बाद वो हम रीसेट कर देंगे, सो नो वन विल बी एबल टू ज्वाइन. Okay, I am just sharing in a few minutes, like few seconds I can say. Mm, and
yeah,
don't
I will
share with
share.
anyone who is not able to like who is not interested in this. Okay, so you can join here and then 10 मिनट में ये जो ग्रुप है वो हम. ओके सॉरी, 10 मिनट में ये जो ग्रुप का लिंक है वो हम रीसेट कर देंगे. ओके, सो यू ऑल कैन ज्वाइन.
I will also share this link in the WhatsApp group also, so interested people can join from there.
Yeah, exactly.
I can see already 15 to 16 people joined this. Also, I say one thing.
Yeah, Ravi, do you have anything to share?
I think I have shared enough. We'll be looking, we will be sharing more details and a brief introduction again in the next session also. Those who are interested in interested students, share this opportunity with your friends in your college, in your university with your friends. So, and this is the last mass hiring the WorldQuant is doing. After that, I don't think there will be much hiring because the pool is already crowded. A lot of consultant and the unique talent is already working, and I want like you to be part of them and make money out of it. So thanks again, everybody. Let's see you in the next session.
Yeah. So all right guys, विशाल वो जो एडमिन वाला है वो हम थोड़ी देर में रिमूव कर देंगे, डोंट वरी. ओके, सो like all right, and thank you so much everyone. I hope this is like this session gave you a very good clarity about the world quant brain, and not just information but direction, and with the focused clarity that we have given and with a proof also about the income. We are not just misleading you, we are
Uh,
giving you a very good opportunity, because
one
honestly
more thing, I will
opportunity. Yeah,
One more
yeah,
thing,
yeah,
I would like to share my LinkedIn profile with all of them
hmm.
also.
Yeah, yeah,
I will
please
share
share,
in the
I
group.
will
Also,
pin
you
in
can
the group.
connect me
Yeah.
there. Yeah, that's it. Thank you, Adil, and thank you everybody to join this session. I
Yeah,
hope
so
that
thank you
is
everyone, and I'm just deleting this. Okay. ओके सो आई वाज सेइंग दैट अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत होती हैं बट क्लैरिटी एंड प्लस प्रूफ नहीं होता है. सो बहुत लोग मिस कर जाते हैं बट यू हैव ऑलरेडी द प्रूफ. Okay, so and a very huge thanks to Ravi sir also, who has explained all the things in a very good and with a very good clarity. Okay, so like I'm sure everyone has got a very real value today, and really grateful for your time, Ravi. And thanks to everyone who joined today. It was really a very great session and very great and attractive. All the guys are okay. Very interested participants I have seen in this session.
I
Okay,
can
so
see
thank
a
you for
comment
showing
is
up.
being given from
Yeah.
Rizwan. Can you guide me on the LinkedIn group?
I will share the LinkedIn like in the group. Okay, and thank you so much, guys, for joining. Okay, so thanks everyone, and just bye bye, and see you in the next session. And I will share all the things in the WhatsApp group. Okay, bye, guys.